What is good, y'all? Anthony Van Pelt, aka Av, and 100, whatever you want to call me, you know what I'm saying? Back in the cut with a new video. This time, as y'all can see from the title, it's a GOAT review, you know what I'm saying? Is it legit? I'm gonna start off with, yeah, it's a legit place to get shoes. Like, I used to be really scared back in the day from, you know, the places where you bought shoes, like the eBay. I know when I was like in middle school, I used to check the wholesales thing and it was real, but no, it was fake. I never bought shoes off of there, but like, I know me and my cousin used to just be on there like, oh, are these real? $80, but I gotta buy 3. All right, they probably real. And then we tried to get our parents to buy them, right? But they was like, nah, this fugazi, and they wasn't about to pay for these fake shoes. And we like, bro, we went through the whole day. It was during the summer. We went through the whole day trying to find like the best deals and the best colorway that we wanted. Like he was about to get some Raging Bulls. I think I was probably about to get some like Bread 11s or some bread. I was probably get some Bread for Gringo 4s. Those in the grails, you know what I'm saying? But either which way, yeah. So there's a lot of places to get fake shoes, you know what I'm saying? But now there's things like GOAT and StockX. And GOAT, as I'm talking about now, their shoes is real. I haven't tried StockX yet, so I don't know. But Just Jude just did recently. He should have a video on his channel coming soon from that, so go check out his stuff. But yeah, I mean, they're real. But they also have like a lot of shoes on the app, like, and you can buy them new, used, all that. But you pay $10. That's like the shipping fee, and they check it with that fee. You pay $10. You get it shipped to the other people get it shipped to the facility. They check it, you know, and they send it to you. It's real cool. It takes like no more than, like, for me, it hasn't taken more than 5 days to get a pair of shoes. So it's like really cool. It's really fast. And the app just got so many shoes on there, and you can buy new, used, all that, and I think that's cool, bro. Like, cause I mean, it's good, but it's bad. It really be like social media sometimes. You can just be stuck there scrolling on shoes. Isn't like really you be window shopping too, cause you be like, dang, those Human Races 5K. All right, I'm gonna add it to my wish list. You know what I'm saying? I be doing that all the time. Like, I'm not about to buy no yellow Human Races right now. But yeah. Oh, and like there's ways to get straight from the GOAT like facility. Like they got this new thing where you can go straight. I think my roommate. Yeah, but you can go straight from the GOAT facility to your house, and that's cool. Know what I'm saying? That's it for the most part. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, it's cool now to have like a major place where you can get shoes authenticated and sent to. Yeah, and they got fair shoe prices. Like, I remember I used to same time I used to be on the little fake thing. I used to be on a little fake wholesale website. I used to be all on Flight Club, and those prices are like, cause it's like a consignment shop, so it's like way higher than what it is to get at on GOAT, cause it's real people, and since more and more people trying to sell it, they're willing to sell it for lesser and lesser. You know what I'm saying? More shoes in the market, the cheaper it can be. So you know, that's that. You know, let me know if you enjoyed the video. More coming soon. This was just a quick little one. Let me know if you enjoyed. Peace. Let me see.